So now I'm going to show you how to remove the sway bar bushing. I made a first part of the removal, but my phone ate it, so I have to do it from now on. So what I done is I took my drill with this size of drill bit and I drilled all around it, which minimize the integrity of this bush so you can pull it out. That's what she said. Now what you're going to do is wait, let me focus it. Oh, sorry. So, you're going to take a saw and saw around it. Because it won't come off. So, we've reached metal, so we stop because we won't. This, and we will destroy the thing. The removal is a nice part, and the installation is a nice part too. But you have to do it, sadly. But this push wasn't actually that bad as the other side. On the other side it was crumbling apart. I don't think, no, sadly don't have it here. This is these are the metal sleeves that go between the RB bush. This part, replace them with stainless steel. I thought that I need to replace it, but look, I'm in Greece, which is theoretically a very dry country. Imagine what would happen with them in England or so. Replace with stainless steel. Do yourself a favor. So you can see here. Yes, I reached. And now cut here. Yes, now you can see. Just be sure. Let's give it a try now. Yes. It's fully removed. You can see, oh no, that's from the drill. Now if you cut it like this, no mercy. As you can see, it's very messy. This is actually a metal saw, but it's nice for this because it has a thin blade. It's just practical for this. It's nice. So. You can see, removed it, and I will show you the other side. This is the one that came out by itself. You can see how it was. I didn't damage it at all. I didn't drill it. It was like this, and you can see if I try a little bit, I can rip pieces, clumps out of it. Very easy. So, take your nice saw. It's actually an original one. It's a German though. I think that this one is an aftermarket. No, it isn't. It's just in better condition. They may replace it later on. I don't know. I lost the parts number though, so I bought polyurethane